Whenever it comes to meddling with nature, China often tops of the list. Whether it was killing 100 crore sparrows and disrupting entire ecosystems, or clearing forests in the name of industrialization. But now, China has taken another bold step, releasing 1.2 million foreign rabbits into the desert. The big question is, will this gamble help China flourish, or could it end up causing disaster? What is China's secret plan behind releasing these rabbits? In today's video, we will explore that. But before we dive in, it's important to look at one of the biggest rabbit population disaster in history, an incident that devastated Australia. This story takes us back to the mid-1800s, during the British colonization of Australia. In 1869, an Englishman named Thomas Austin released just 13 European rabbits into his state. At that time, nobody imagined the consequences with no natural predators. The rabbits multiplied at an astonishing rate. Within a few decades, they had spread across nearly 70% of Australia, destroying crops, damaging soil, and turning fertile land into barren wasteland. In just 60 years, those 13 rabbits became billions. Fences were built, poison was spread, burrows were destroyed, but nothing worked. The situation got so bad that rabbits invaded towns and even homes in search of food. Eventually, the Australian government resorted to extreme measures, releasing deadly viruses like myxomatosis and later the rabbit hemorrhagic disease virus. Millions of rabbits died, and while the population was finally controlled, Australia learned a harsh lesson. Introducing animals into a foreign ecosystem can quickly spiral out of control. Despite this history, China decided to take a similar but calculated risk. Today, China produces around 99 million rabbits every year, more than any other country in the world. So why release 1.2 million foreign rabbits into desert regions? To understand this, we need to look back at China's past. In the 1950s, Mao Zedong launched the Great Leap Forward, a campaign aimed at rapid industrial and agriculture growth. Part of this was the infamous Favor Evils campaign, which promoted the idea that humans must dominate nature. Sparrows were labeled enemies of crops and were almost entirely wiped out. What was ignored, however, was that sparrows also control insect population. With the birds gone, insects and rodents multiplied. Crops failed, and China faced one of the worst famines in history. Millions dead, forests vanished, and vast areas slowly turned into deserts. The scars of this mistake lingered for decades. By the 1990s, desertification had become a national crisis. Large portions of China land were degrading. Rainfall was decreasing. Water shortages were worsening, and people were migrating from villages to cities. Every year, China was losing billions of yuan to expanding deserts. And experts warned that if nothing changed, the economy and the land would face irreversible damage. To combat this, China launched an ambitious plan to turn barren land into forests. The strategy had 3 stages. First came forestry, planting trees that could survive in sandy soil. Second was agriculture, encouraging farmers to grow low-water crops near desert regions. But even after these efforts, the ecosystem was incomplete. That's where animals came in. After years of research, Chinese scientists selected Rex rabbits. These rabbits have unique qualities. They dig tunnels, loosen soil, trim grass roots, and naturally improve land fertility, acting almost like living floors. A single female Rex rabbit can produce up 40 offspring a year, and the species adapts easily to new environments. On top of that, rabbit farming provides income. Since rabbit meat is widely consumed in China, China released 1.2 million Rex rabbits into carefully chosen desert forest zones. At the time, only about 3% of the land had any vegetation. Within just a few years, vegetation coverage jumped to over 80%. Grass returned, trees grew, and farming became possible once again. But Australia's history served as a warning. Rabbits can restore land, yes, but if their population grows beyond control, they can also destroy entire ecosystems. So the real question remains, has China finally found a way to work with nature, or is it repeating an old mistake in a new form? Was releasing 1.2 million rabbits a brilliant solution or a ticking ecological time bomb? What do you think? Tell us in the comment section. Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.